Audi AI Trail Quattro. The AI Trail Quattro made its debut at the 2019 Frankfurt Motor Exhibition, to pretty much unanimous applause as a result of its innovative add-ons as well as its rugged design. It was created to lead the pack when it comes to futuristic off-road vehicles, and it features more than 13 inches of ground clearance, enough to help the AI Trail ford water crossings up to 1.6 feet deep. An advanced navigation system making use of lasers, cameras, ultrasound, and radar to ensure that your vehicle stays stable and on track even in the roughest of conditions. And a level 4 autonomy, which is the second highest level of self-driving. This means that it can drive itself in areas where this feature is fully supported. The lithium-ion battery can get more than 500 kilometers on the road. It has a maximum system output of 320 kilowatts, and while its maximum speed has been pegged at a mere 130 kilometers an hour, that's all the speed the Quattro really needs. As an added advantage, it comes with 5 built-in electrically operated drones with LED lighting elements that serve as scouts for the Quattro when you're driving in truly unexplored territory. Audi Icon. In 2017, the Audi Icon made its debut to the audience at the Frankfurt Motor Show, where it stunned viewers with its unique design and futuristic exterior. There are no conventional headlights or lighting units on the Audi Icon, replaced instead with the use of fully digital display surfaces with hundreds of triangular pixel segments. It was designed as an all-electric, fully autonomous sedan, with opposed doors opening to the front and rear, and a truly open interior brought about by the absence of a steering wheel and a classic dashboard. It is powered by the use of 4 electric motors, each attached to an axle, and these produce a total of 260 kilowatts and 550 Newton meters, distributed to each wheel to enable an electronically controlled all-wheel drive. It also has a high-voltage system with 800 volts, which has been shown to be charged up to 80% in less than 30 minutes. Taken as a whole, the Audi Icon is a modern construction of ultralight materials and advanced aerodynamics that work together to push the vehicle to a stunning 800-kilometer range on a single charge. Audi AI Race. If you have to describe the Audi AI Race with one word, use futuristic. The AI Race is a unique combination of high performance and comfort, all packaged in a luxurious shell. It is manufactured with a combination of aluminum, carbon, and multi-material composites, which ensure that the AI Race maintains a low weight. And when this is combined with 3 powerful electric motors which provide a power output of up to 150 kilowatts to the front axle and 350 kilowatts to the rear, it's easy to see why this vehicle can rocket from 0 to 100 kilometers in about 2 seconds. As is now expected from Audi, the AI Race is a true Quattro all-wheel drive, and it is powered by a rechargeable battery with maximum output of 500 kilowatts. The driver's seat and cockpit are integrated into an inner monocoque shell that can be slid laterally. When driven solo, the monocoque can be positioned in the center, the perfect position for the racetrack. The battery also has the exciting feature of being liquid-cooled solid-state, with an energy capacity of 95 kilowatts and a range of over 500 kilometers when fully charged. Audi e-tron GT. The e-tron GT was shown to an ecstatic crowd at the Los Angeles Auto Show. It was designed to be an extremely lightweight 4-door coupe with the use of a multi-material construction. It has astounding design elements including an arrow-shaped front section, created to help showcase the e-tron GT's dynamic presence even when it's not moving. Powered by separate electric motors providing a total 590 horsepower, with which rockets this vehicle from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in around 3.5 seconds, before reaching 200 kilometers an hour in about 12 seconds. As expected of a collaboration with Porsche, the interior design is extremely luxurious, with an avoidance of the use of any animal-based materials. It is capable of a regulated top speed of 240 kilometers an hour and a total range of over 400 kilometers as per WLTP standard. The Audi e-tron GT is expected to reach full production by the year 2021. Audi AI ME. Making its debut at the Auto Shanghai in 2019, the AI ME was designed to be the epitome of comfort and luxury. It ensures this through the provision of an almost decadent amount of interior space, with comfortable ergonomic seats that adjust themselves to the user's favorite position when the car is unlocked. In an added twist, the front seats can be adjusted to face each other and tables added for a truly comfortable conversation between passengers. There's also an unobtrusive touch panel surrounding the interior laying out of reach until a touch or voice command is given. Once it is activated, you can use the touch panel to give a range of instructions to the vehicle, including seat adjustments, temperature, or lighting, as well as control the sound system. The AI ME can also function as a self-driving car, leaving the driver with the option to either spend the time he or she would have used to drive in supreme comfort and relaxation, or channel that time and energy saved into something else. Audi e-tron Vision Gran Turismo. The Vision Gran Turismo was first shown to an audience at the Audi Competence Center Motorsport at Nürburgring. It is a two-seater concept car that has the distinction of being the first concept car to be deployed to real-world racetracks as a fully functional vehicle. Designed with the Quattro all-wheel drive, the Audi e-tron Vision Gran Turismo is powered by 3 electric motors, each with an output of 200 kilowatts distributed to the rear and front axles, which rockets this vehicle from 0 to 100 kilometers in less than 2.5 seconds. The Vision Gran Turismo makes use of components from the Audi e-tron to provide a total system output of 815 horsepower. A total curb weight of 1,450 kilograms ensures that it maintains a power-to-weight ratio of 1.78 kilograms per horsepower, with ideal 50-50% weight distribution between the front and the rear axle. Audi Q4 e-tron. Revealed at the 2019 Geneva Motor Show, the Audi Q4 e-tron was designed to be a compact and speedy 4-door SUV with a difference. It is powered by 2 electric motors which provide 225 kilowatt of system power, a quattro all-wheel drive which ensures proper traction, and a maximum range of about 450 kilometers, the best in its class according to WLTP standard. The Audi Q4 e-tron has been shown to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 6.3 seconds. reaching a maximum speed of 180 km per hour with the power of an 82 kWh capacity battery. As previously stated, the Quattro system ensures that both front and rear axles are powered by their own specific electrical motor, with an electric control ensuring optimal distribution of torque. The Q4 e-tron is projected to go into full production by the end of 2020, and it is expected to retail in the $50,000 range.